Hello everybody, my name is Sualp Ozel, and in this video I will highlight how to interact with components using Fusion 360's Additive Build extension. Here we're looking at a design that's created using the design environment with 3 parts. This assembly is going to be our input for printing. However, we will not print all 3 components. Let's go to the manufacturing environment and take a closer look. The first thing that you will notice is the existence of manufacturing models. Here, you can create a manufacturing model to use for the basis of what you are going to print. The first manufacturing model is a copy of what you see in the design workspace. However, you can make edits that will stay local in here and not change what you see in the design environment. Let's take a closer look. If you go ahead and edit the manufacturing model, we are able to make changes to the geometry. First obvious change is I don't want to print these secondary parts. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the visibility of those off. And the second thing is I want to print multiple of these parts. I can use the component copying feature by creating a copy and making it a component. It can make copies. Or alternatively, I could use the creation of patterns using rectangular, circular, or pattern on a path to create multiples of this part. When I'm finished, I use Finish Edit and use this as the input for my additive setup. Let's go ahead and set one up quickly by choosing additive as our operation type and Renishaw as our printer. Here, we're choosing both of these parts. And because we have the automatic arrangement checked, after pressing OK, we will see that both parts will fit on the build platform. And here we have 2 parts sitting on the build platform, removed from the platform by a couple of millimeters so we can add support structures and continue with the print preparation. However, this is not what we want to see in our design. This is not what we designed, this is what we are printing, which means when we go into the design workspace, you will still see the original design with the original location of the 3 parts. The only changes that we've done is for print preparation in the manufacturer workspace using the manufacturing model edits that we've done. In this video, we have talked about how to select components for 3D printing, how to choose multiples of those components, and how to edit their position.